joined with Justin Grinnell, my buddy, following up on that interview we did yesterday. Thank you for doing that.
Oh, of course, my pleasure.
Talk about State of Fitness University and what people can expect. I'm sending a student over to you who's an amazing young woman who is very interested in pursuing something with you. What can they expect?
Yeah, so here at State of Fitness, we call our internship program State of Fitness University. And what we want to try to do for folks is you want to learn the personal training from the ground up, from the business side, from the exercise science side, anything to do with the fitness business. We want to show you everything that has to offer, give you a snapshot of everything so you can start to think about, do I want to be in this fitness business? Where do I want to go? Maybe I want to be an athletic trainer instead, but everything and anything you could think of personal training, so that when they leave, they have the confidence to either go get a job or they know what they want to do, especially the students that are undecided. So we really want to try to educate them in a really college setting, because we have a whole course built for them. We meet each week. We try to put a lot of time into them so that when they come here, they're like, wow, I feel like I'm part of the team. I'm here. But I'm not just holding a clipboard, watching everything. I'm interactive. I'm coaching people. And so we really try to push that.
What are the expectations for a student like the one that I'm going to be referring to you? What are your expectations that you're going to set?
Our thing is if you just have a good attitude and you want to learn and you want to be a part of something, and you want to do the course, it doesn't matter to us what your background is. You could be a computer science major, you could be someone that worked in some other field for 20 years. If you have an open mind and a good attitude, that's all we really need, because we can teach exercise, we can teach the science of it, you can learn that. What we look for are just the people skills. Am I someone that's fun to be around? Do I like to help people? And that's all we need.
So there's Justin Grinnell, State of Fitness University. Guys building a ReFirement zone, just like all of our other people that we're interviewing here in mid-Michigan. Thank you for doing what you do, man, helping people get better. And the radio show is just benefits from your knowledge, so I appreciate you coming on, and I want to get you as a regular, so yeah. Let's count on it. So be looking for my my student friend that I'll be sending over here, and we'll get it going for you. Thank you so much, Jay.
Sounds great, Tom.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Appreciate
buddy.
it.
See you, man.
All right, thank you.
Justin Grinnell.